everybody, my name is Snapshot, and today we are going to playing Ratchet and Clank Full Frontal Assault. And guess what, guys? Today is my very first YouTube video I am playing. So let's begin.
Wait, I'm not going to. No, people don't be quiet in YouTube videos. People don't be quiet. Other people can be.
Okay, this isn't my first time playing this, but I'm gonna start on the first level to help you during.
Tell them I'm here so I can talk.
And as you all know, here's Kim King. You might know, you might not know her, but you should type down her name on a YouTube video.
Which will not pop up, guys. So you're gonna have to put one of my YouTube videos down because I tried that before and it didn't. Wait.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yes, it's hard to find.
Yeah, pretty hard to find her. You know what? Scratch that.
Yeah.
Let's just keep playing.
Yes, and guess what? Wait, I forgot what it is. Valkyrie. Well, yeah.
I really like how much effort the creators of this game have into it. Like, everything is just so shiny. It's future-like.
Yeah. We played before.
I'm gonna be cutting the levels into separate YouTube videos. So hope you guys enjoy this. And don't forget to like and subscribe below.
Yes, and guess what? I am new at YouTube videos too. I'm very new.
Oh, I just found out that the letters on the screen are backwards. This says Starship Phoenix 2, and it says collect bolts to purchase space defenses. Yep.
As you can tell, I'm watching my YouTube video.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, let me teach you how to play this on the PS3. Well, of course you press square to attack. You press triangle to activate stuff. Like there's triangle. You press circle to do nothing. Press X to jump. Okay? Now, if you press X 2 times and hold it the second time, do this. Cool, huh? Now, if you press R2, then you get rocket boots. And also, you can go super high by doing rocket boots and jumping at the same time. And boom. That's how you do it. These are my bot friends. Hey, Tim and Jim, guys. Just in time. Okay. Okay, let's go on with the missions. Here we go. So basically this game is about getting bases and defending and attacking other bases. So we're going to the World War. Get it? Because we're going to more worlds.
Sorry.
Okay, we are at Corjon Refinery. You can quickly select the combustor by pressing the left button. A heavy weapon, pressing the up button, and crash shot by pressing the right button. The weapons you have at the level before will not save to the next level, so there I am, the handsome one. So, here we go. So, first you need to collect some bolts, which are found by these weird looking things. You hit them, and then you get 24 bolts from each of them, around 24 bolts. Another way of getting bolts is getting crates. Lots of bolts. Okay. And you see this weird looking thing? You have the rocket boost to go right there. And these, you just press X and then square. Jump and square. That's how you do that. You can also go through them by the rocket boosters. And these weird looking things are ammo. And the final way of getting bolts is destroying enemies. But first we need a weapon. So you press X on the white things, or you can just press X on the blue spots. That, and then that. And then the first weapon you should get is the combustor. And this right here is nanotech. When you're hurt, you can smash this, and then it gives you life. That glowing thing right there, you probably can't see it. And this right here, it's reloading. And when it gets full, it appears again. So yeah, I think you know what to do now. Well, you have to defend these things from the enemies that are trying to destroy them. So we should defend this space and then attack. That's how it works. So let's go get some bolts. What I like to use is fire, but I don't have any. So get some more bolts if you don't have enough to make
nice. Time to upgrade our defenses.
And you see that's a glory. I forgot his name, but the fastest way to defeat him is just smashing him.
And you can only play this on a PlayStation.
No, you can play it on other games. Oh yeah, you press L1 to aim, then R1 to fire. Or you can just